What's up, you guys? Welcome to the last day of prep for this week. It is June 27th, the day before my birthday, and I've got a lot of stuff going on today. I just pulled up to Extreme Wraps with the truck and trailer right now to pick up the race car. It's gonna be my first time seeing it with the wrap complete. God, it looks so good. Holy crap. I just dropped off my car to Turbo Joe for him to tune my car. He's got a couple other cars in front of me, so I'm actually gonna head to the airport and pick up my friend Tiara. But Tiara's landing in literally 30 minutes and LAX is like a 32-minute drive, so let's go and grab her really fast. Really quick while I'm at a red light, let me just reiterate and let you guys know what's going on because I know it's a lot at once, okay? So, in this video, Turbo Joe is going to tune my car on 91 and E85. My birthday bash is tomorrow, so he's gonna tune my car on E85 today. He needs like an hour to an hour and a half with my car before he actually gets started. So I figured that it would be a good idea for me to go and pick up my friend Tiara from the airport right now because she flew in for my birthday bash. She's like one of my absolute best friends. She lives in New Jersey. She's from my hometown. So I'm gonna go and run and pick her up from the airport right now, and then we're gonna go back to Turbo Joe together, watch my car get tuned, put my car on the trailer, and be ready for my birthday tomorrow. It's a lot. I'm cutting it really close with everything. Literally, even from picking up Tiara from LAX. I wanted to pick her up in my Mini Cooper, but I'm just gonna take the truck and trailer because that's all I got time for, so let's go. Oh my goodness! Hi! Sorry for the screaming. I have not seen Tiara in literally so long. I will see you guys at Turbo Joe's and we are gonna catch up on the drive over there. So we're here at Turbo Joe's and you have not seen the car at all.
No.
Any pictures, any video.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm like really excited to get your reaction on video, to be honest with you. Let me guide you over there. Keep your eyes closed.
Okay, okay, okay.
Give me your hand and I will walk you to the car. And go. This is so sick, isn't it? Dude! Oh my God.
Smells like fresh paint and vinyl.
Dude, feel the freaking flake. Feel the paint.
Oh my God, this is so you.
Dude.
This is perfect. This is you.
I'm freaking stoked. It looks so freaking good.
Oh my God.
Oh God, I'm so excited. I haven't even shown you part of the best part yet. Okay, go.
Oh my God. That's beautiful. Whoa, dude. Oh, this is sick here with the flame.
Dude, I literally redid everything.
Whoa.
Brand new turbo. These are powder coated.
Oh my God.
This is carbon fiber with blue flake. This whole engine bay was painted. Like,
This is, oh my God. You literally took like everything out and redid it.
I know, dude. That was literally Tiara's first time ever seeing the car with this wrap because I literally just finished getting it wrapped this morning. And on our way over here, we actually saw my friend Aaron UCB on the highway, so there's Aaron's little 510.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I saw your little backup right there.
Yeah, right? I know, it's embarrassing, right? Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy, you just did an engine swap in like what, 2 days?
A day and a half.
Dang, dude. Before you see this car,
Okay.
have I shown you any pictures of it?
No,
No videos.
I haven't seen anything.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Just talking.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
And take my hand.
Am I being guided?
Yes, you're gonna be guided.
Wait, shouldn't I be filming?
Go ahead.
Oh, shit! Damn, that looks good!
Oh, Joe, look at that.
There you go.
Sick. trippy for me. Joe hasn't even really started yet. He did one hole, and I was so nervous because I put something together with my own hands, and the thing is running and driving, and like watching somebody else even start to push it, so scary. Fires already! Joe was just getting started. We're already making more horsepower than we had the last time that I was driving the car. The last time that I drove this car, I had 340 horsepower. The blue line is my torque, so we've got 278. The red line is the horsepower, so we're already making 352 only on 12 PSI. This literally took no time at all. Can you believe we're already making more horsepower than I had the last time? I made 340 horsepower the last time. We've been here 15 minutes. Guess what my numbers are right now?
700 now.
Oh my god. Take a guess. If you guess right, I'm gonna be pissed.
370.
414. What? We were like, it's good at 400. Joe was like, watch this.
I told you I'm gonna make about 400 on the pump and then 5 on the 85. You thought I was kidding?
Alright, boys and girls, these are our final numbers on 91, and now we are going to tune on E85. Is it E85 time, Joe?
Yeah.
Oof. That's not good. With the compressor?
Yeah, a turbo compressor.
Oh my god.
I just checked the bolts, they're all tight. Still don't see the leak over here.
So there's been a lot going on off camera. We've just been like troubleshooting this car, checking everything possible. Joe just figured out that my wastegate is leaking. So that's the culprit for tonight, pretty much. A minor issue that can literally be fixed within 5 minutes, but having issues with this sucks. A little update, this is what time it is. We fixed the leaking wastegate issue and we're currently putting it back on the car. Car's back on the ground, setting back up. It is freaking 3:20 in the morning. I am not making this up, let me show you. Finally got the car back on the ground, fixed the leaking wastegate. Joe is right now going to try to tune the car the best that he can with this whole situation. You can see literally on the dyno chart that it's climbing into boost much faster. It's a much steeper climb now, and then it kind of flattens out. It's still not where we want it because the turbo is not spooling fast enough. Joe was recommending that I get a smaller exhaust side of my turbo. Honestly, I will drive around whatever issue it is that I'm having. I'm a stunt driver, that's my profession, that's my career, that's where I come from. I learned to work with cars with problems. We're officially back on track. The last pull that we did was 506 horsepower on E85. So, Joe said he just wanted to do some final couple passes, wrap this thing up, drive to Apple Valley Speedway after I pick up Tiara and Cam, and see you guys all in the morning. So this was the first time you tuned the car, and this is the second time?
This is before on the stock injectors. This is now. So if you think that the car was okay then, it should be definitely okay now.
Oh my god. Alright you guys, that is all she wrote. We made 525 wheel horsepower on E85 and 417 wheel horsepower on 91. And it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna literally button everything up, clean it up, put the car on the trailer, load it up, and I'm gonna go to my apartment, take a shower, drive to Apple Valley Speedway in the morning. Now, not in the morning. I'm gonna go to Apple Valley Speedway in like 40 minutes. If you guys have made it this far and you've been hanging out with us this entire time, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video, and that'll probably be the track day, I hope. So, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much for hanging out. Bye. Nice! Thank you! I literally just hit 17,000 followers right now. That's so sick!